Welcome back to TG. Yeah, we got things.
Oh wait, go to the pub real quick.
Last time.
Why?
Nice pot.
What if I can finally buy alcohol?
But I
How
don't
old is she?
care.
I guess maybe
I
that.
wanna
You
sell
can
it.
do that on your turn. It's my turn.
I mean, this is a Japanese game. For all we know, she could be like 30.
Right, they do stop aging after like 15. Until they're like 50.
Did they ever explain that in like Zelda?
What?
Very
Why
odd
they never
face.
fucking age?
Ever.
Yeah, after like hundreds of years.
Hand lantern.
Different people, supposedly. Or no, at least Breath of the
Well,
Wild.
the shark fin always sells. What's the shark fin?
There's a +1 too. That's pretty cool. No, give me that. I don't want that. Put that there.
In Breath of the Wild, you can live to the ripe age of 100 and something.
117.
Ah, fuck off. I don't care about you.
That's a heinous lie, by the
Wait,
way. It's
what?
not
No.
17,
Yeah, more shit.
it's 12.
Well, yeah.
I know. I'm trying to get to it, but I keep pressing the wrong button. No, that sells for a good amount. No, that sells for a good amount. What is that? What is the shield? Don't care. Just go away. Just give me that.
I just love how Nintendo makes like,
Wooden chest
so-
piece. Iron armor.
Prepubescent.
Get this,
Like,
get this
they try to
away.
make
Common
it look tough,
shield.
like they're advertising
Right, the
shit.
honey. Pot
Once
stand.
you
The
play
pot
the
stand
game,
was
it's just
1200.
a
Okay,
huge
wow.
shit.
Our shop's full of expensive stuff, guys.
Yeah.
Hopefully someone buys it.
I mean, it's open shop.
Open store.
He's a Boy Scout.
Oh, boys, all
in
cheap
the
seats
shooting.
except for the master. He's a Boy Scout. Oh, hey, look.
Wasn't there like a rule in like medieval times where you could like slice off a piece hand?
Yes.
Yeah.
What if they put that in this game?
Oh, God.
Just take off her hand.
Oh, well, she wouldn't be a very good ally later in case she would.
Okay, so this person is annoying, so I'm skipping her dialogue.
Oh!
Give me guns.
Wait, you know how we were complaining
Yeah, this should be good.
you know we were complaining about how like we can only hire a swordsman? I think she's our new hire.
Is it really worth it? She's a cunt.
I mean, she's probably better than Numbnuts.
Yeah,
She's faster.
I mean she almost beat your ass.
That's because you cheat. You have items. She doesn't. I'll show the ass a little more HP than you do. But you take more than she does. It evens out.
Can I sell something?
Yeah,
You
they
should
sell.
hire her
They
to
sell.
kill the fairy.
Okay. Thank you. Hello. You want my really expensive shield? Let me make it more expensive for you.
It's not that expensive.
There
So
we
this guy
go.
usually goes around 125.
He's not gonna buy that.
Yeah, buy my thing.
For over the price.
Aggressive. God.
He is an asshole.
And he always buys a magician stuff.
Oh yeah, that's
433%. Oh wow, you ran away. You didn't get like a second chance at that.
I don't like him.
who cares? He's giving you money.
The
Oh,
cheesecake wants honey.
but
We haven't sold it
You're
yet.
not gonna be able to sell that for anywhere near that kind of money.
we're gonna go 130, 115.
Are you out of your mind?
130,
He's
115.
not gonna buy it. We tested this.
113.
Buy over 108.
Yeah, we did it at 108.
Oh, see?
Oh, good.
See? Doubting my ability to be a merchant.
You're being an idiot.
You just got lucky.
You really did just get lucky. We checked it twice before 108 came by.
You're just gonna make a run.
You're a dick.
Fuck her. I hate her.
Who cares? She's giving you money. What's the point of having an expensive shop if you're not gonna sell anything, numbnuts?
She can buy other things.
You gotta haggle. God damn.
Alright, fill up the shop
You're
again.
never gonna have your own shop if you don't haggle.
The price of candy has increased.
I don't care. Let me load up my shit.
Yeah, I mean, we sold all our candy.
No, we ate all of our candy.
It's not worth
We
very
sold
much.
it.
I mean,
To Louis. For free.
yeah. After paying him. Although you made a much larger profit.
True.
And you pretty much got the money back that you
Okay,
paid him
TLDR.
because he bought something from you.
How much did it cost us? 600, right?
Him? It was 11.
It cost us 1100.
It was 11.
Really?
Yep. It was like 1080 or
I can't
11.
believe I had to make dick pics.
By the way,
Yeah, you had like 5 grand. Actually 6.
No, we didn't take the candy inside.
Look.
Now imagine how much a
What do you think
billboard
of
of a
that?
big pic.
I know, but look, candy plus 4.
Don't sell that.
The price up, so bring it up to, if it's a +4, do you want to keep it or do you want to sell it?
I mean, it's not worth much. Either way.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
true.
like, the way I see it, we keep +4 until, like, we get a magician. Because I'm pretty sure there's a magician drop somewhere.
For now, let's see what we sell here. I guess I won't be a dick this time.
This time, sure.
Yeah, this time.
I like the orange every time we
Change.
She wants food.
No, oh, some food, okay.
I mean, you could feed her a staff.
I'll feed her my staff.
Who doesn't?
The shark fin,
Beef bowl.
yeah, people.
Alright, it's 2,300.
She's a
She's a little
cheapskate.
bastard.
Yeah, she doesn't go, like, any higher than 115. Ever.
I'll be damned. Damn it.
Let's go to 110.
113. Okay.
Idiot. Very hard-headed.
Hi there.
Finally, someone's gonna deliver. Buy my liver.
I mean,
Why are you selling it that cheap?
I don't want it.
I mean, we could have used it.
For what?
Fusion.
ah!
I knew you were gonna do that. I just knew it.
My daughter did too. He always goes 30.
I'll sell you my staff, baby.
Why did you go so low?
I still have like another staff and other stuff.
But
So.
Master always goes at 130. He doesn't care.
But we're trying to refill the
never
shop
haggles
fast,
with you.
remember?
He never haggles with you.
2 seconds and more money.
Oh, this fuck. What was it? 115?
No, it's 120 and 115.
120? Okay. Oh, sweet. Alright, alright, alright.
How's the fairy hitting things with the duster? It's not dusting. She's literally hitting
You're gonna put
things.
this people.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat it. It's 2,300. I'll put my shiny shoes in the window. Alright. No.
I'm guessing the bat wings use infusion for medicine, right?
Maybe, but I'm selling them. If they sell, they sell. If not, we can try it.
Yeah. But like, so
I'd like to buy some food.
sell the people.
120?
What? His is pretty high. Start at 125. His tolerance level.
Damn it,
is
no.
high.
Okay. It's not letting me. Oh, I have to go like that. Okay. 125. 110? 115? What do you think?
I mean, 120. I mean, he's not really a picky. If he is, fuck him. Fuck him.
Yeah.
Hey, look, red fairy. What do you call them again?
Bucket.
What
Did
is
you
this?
really hate him that much just because he beat the shit out of you?
She.
She's annoying.
You just can't
Oh,
stand
sweet.
strong in
But
the
look at
air.
her earring. It's cute.
Yeah,
Well, she bought it at 120, so I mean, I know her threshold. Oh, him. What do you? Oh, okay. I can go for like what 115 start.
You know, I have one of those. It didn't cost me
115?
that much though.
Crop taste.
Oh, sweet, nice.
Hiya.
Oh, him. Oh,
That looks like a dildo.
so 130, right?
Wait. We're not selling that, are we?
That's a golden dildo.
Why not? It's
What's it used for?
No, he's selling it to us, isn't he? We don't
no,
have
we're
that.
selling it to him. Cause we had, yeah, I thought we found one. No,
We didn't put it on the shop.
I'm confused.
Isn't he selling it to us?
Cause why would it have us percentage something he's selling to us? Why?
Because we're
I guess
we're
if
buying it.
it.
So what should we do? Give him like 80% then? But what if we
they
have
said
it?
they go as low as 70.
What
We
if
don't have this.
you sure?
Yes,
No.
I am sure. I am sure we did not put this out in the store, and I'm sure we don't have it.
Yeah, he's right. He sold it to you.
Yeah, see?
Okay, that's cool. I guess we have a resale item.
It's worth 42. 200.
You know, from far away that does look like a piece of poop, but now that I have it on a big screen, I realized it was a Buddha statue.
Oh, I didn't even read what he wanted. That's my fault. I didn't even read what he wanted.
He wanted a hat.
So it's at a high price. Bring it up. Wait, check this out. What
Why
if
don't you
I
buy it?
buy it 70 and then bring it up?
Stingy bastard.
Blah, blah, blah.
Oh, he's gonna keep going. He's still 80.
No, I'm gonna go up. There you go.
Okay.
See?
Alright,
Yay, merchanting.
being cheap to a cheapskate.
My name's Brad.
Give him that staff.
Give him a staff. Give him a staff that he came in here before to buy it, but he decided to fucking go over it.
And I'm not.
183. What was it? 125, 115, right?
Yeah, 125 to 120 is this thing.
Oh, sweet. Right off the bat. There we go.
I'm pretty sure there's like a bigger number for him, but I just don't want to do it.
And
Let's go for the thankful statue.
It looks like a golden dildo.
I mean,
Anything's a
yeah.
dildo.
Just sell the candy that you just sold.
That you just bought.
Yeah, you just bought, sorry. But don't sell the plus 4 one, because we might need that later.
Yeah, we have to buy the recipe.
What's her name? Prime? Really? Optimus Prime? Did she transform too?
Maybe.
Does her Buckiness wings
We
just turn
haven't-
into something else?
Probably.
We haven't seen her, so should we start at like 120 and
No, we
see
start at 130. That's like the,
130?
yeah, that's always like the start point. So bring it down 5%.
Okay. No, you didn't. She's a cunt.
I'll buy this candy apple that I just sold.
How does this guy have any money? Like, you pay him, and then he buys stuff for more than you paid him.
He's really cheap, remember? 121.
I know. Oh, sweet. 120 off the bat. That's not bad.
He probably has like another part.
Someone needs to buy my $21,000 pot. Just do it.
Oh, wait.
Treasure. Treasure. Hold on.
Sell the pot. The pot. Sell the pot. Sell the pot.
Very odd vase, right?
Yes.
Should we just go like even?
Wait, let's see what he says. Yeah, it's great.
No, not that high.
Let's not go 130.
Let's go 120, 120, 110.
Let's start at 115.
115, 110?
It's a lot of money. It's a lot.
Okay.
I haven't seen
So,
like anyone. I mean, I know he's loaded because he's the guild master.
so we'll go 115. Alright.
105, 105.
105. Yeah, at least we make a profit and we don't need this, so.
When you make a profit, you sell it all.
Yeah, because we found it.
Fuck!
Yeah, bitch.
Yeah, just go on.
You can collect souls with
If
this.
something bad to
You can like
sell it
soul.
at this price.
We might have to go base or lower for those ones, because they're like super, you know, yeah.
Yeah, just go base.
She's selling it too.
I don't want it.
I do.
I mean, you can eat it.
Delicious.
You do need healing items.
Fine.
I like her. Just go 80.
I'll go 70.
Oh, there you go.
I was gonna go 70, 80,
I guess you
but
can take advantage of a child mentality in this game. That's fucked up.
Look at that. Shop is full.
You want this
Oh,
10-day-old
he's selling that.
candy apple that I've had in my pocket?
is he
Okay.
selling it to me?
He's always on.
Alright, you have like
No,
1
he said he
minute left.
wanted this.
Okay.
Hey, you have like a minute left.
Okay. Oh, sweet, cool. Well, we sold our candy apple.
This is our last shop round anyway.
Yeah, after this, we'll go next time. Alright, candy. This will come in handy. Ha, ha, you're funny.
What the name is random. No.
130. Good. Thank you. Sleeve. Alright. So on that note, we have sold things. I'm going to restock the shop, and then we will go next time on TG, guys. Yeah?
Look at that. You've made a little
Yeah.
to no profit.
How many candy apples did you have?
I bought one, and then I sold one.
So, yeah,
I had 2.
Awesome.
Yeah.
+1.
So yeah, next time on TG, we will continue our
Until we're out of space.
shopping spree or selling spree. Selling spree. All right. Next time on TG, y'all.